So another beautiful day using Sniper. You can see we got into this trade right here when it crossed this line. Boom, that was the entry. Then it did a lot of pissing around. Obviously you can see second candle, that's our stop loss. Pissing around, nice, pissing around. Then all of a sudden started on its little nice descent for the day. This is the first trade for today. I don't have anything else in the books. Never no trades earlier in the session. I've got probably about another 25 minutes. So there's a tiny possibility that this one will play out and then we get one more trade after. That'd be nice, have a nice little double header. But you can see we got into 20 contracts. I've got 5 accounts copying off this one right now. Well, 4 accounts copying, so 5 accounts total. So you can see we're probably going to cash out somewhere around $2,000, which will be nice. So one of the keys, I keep saying this to you guys, obviously get your back testing done. That's where all your confidence is going to come from. And then when you enter the trade, just enter it, based upon your the way that you've done your back testing and the way that you've done your data mining. That is going to tell you the sessions that you think you should be trading and the take profit that you think you should be taking. Then when you enter your trades, just enter them, set it, and leave it. See what happens. It's uncomfortable. Of course, it's, when your trade comes right down to here and then starts reversing, it doesn't feel good. But the way to get those nice wins over time is to just let it play out. And sometimes the trade will go almost all the way to stop loss or to take profit and then go back and hit your stop loss. And sometimes it'll go almost to stop loss, even like right here, almost all the way up, and then the fear kicks in. Just leave it. Just leave it and see what happens. Trust the data. Trust the, 500, 600, 700 trades over time. Trust that more than what your emotions and your gut is telling you, because I got to tell you, your emotions and your gut cannot predict what Forex is going to do. If you have a good feeling in your toes, that does not mean you're going to win this trade. It just means, maybe you're cutting off circulation because you've been sitting too long, you got a good feeling in your toes. So this is how Sniper works. And like I always say, this is about trusting the process over a period of time, not looking at 1 or 2 specific trades, just looking at your account or one of your accounts over a period of time, over a week, over a month, over a quarter. And as long as those are adding up nicely, then you're fine. Some trades win, some trades lose. So a little bit more pissing around, and then starting to drop again now. And you're just sitting here waiting, see what happens. Try your best, just focus on your breathing. Try and get in sort of a Zen state. Just accept it may fail, you may lose over a period of time. Most of them probably will win. According to your backtesting results, you'll probably emulate similar results in your account. And that's just what you want to focus on. And try as hard as you possibly can to not give in to the temptation to trying to control the market. Like willing the candles down or wearing your lucky bracelet or any of this bullshit. We're so superstitious as humans. The truth is the market is much bigger and more powerful than you. And all we're looking for is a mechanical edge that gives us the indicator of when we're probably going to win a trade. And we have a 50% chance that we're going to win a trade. And it's all math. And if you're, going to win at like a 1 to 2R and you lose at a 1R and you win 40 or 50% of those, mathematically you're profitable. You're doing fine. You just have to now actively do that every day, right? And so that's what I would highly encourage you to focus on. The more you try and focus on controlling the market with your stomach muscles or your breathing or your positive law of attraction or any of that crap, the more you're going to drive yourself crazy and get stressed, have that fight or flight panic mode response, and probably make very stupid decisions, miss the winning trade, have FOMO, get in on the losing trade, whatever, right? But what I would encourage you is rely on the math, rely on the statistics, rely on the back testing, plan out what you're going to be doing for your trading session, do it in your trading session, follow the plan, and try to not really think or be too emotionally attached to one particular trade or one particular trading session.
Order filled.
And there we go. Thankfully, that was a bit of a long one. That was a bit of a gut wrench with the ups and downs. But always remember, close your other side of your position. Just hit exit all market and orders. Make sure that you get out so that you don't accidentally have your stop loss triggered if price reverses, and then all of a sudden you're into another trade that you didn't intend. So there you go. That's Sniper. That was $410 times 5 accounts. So what is that? $2,050 or something like that. Yeah, one trade, not bad at all. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.